The best text-to-speech apps will provide a seamless audio experience for converting text. While traditionally this has been in the realm of professional dictation and transcription services, these days text-to-speech has become far more common and an ordinary feature of everyday life. The use of audio for commands has especially become popular for use with assistants, such as Alexa and Siri, which also allow for speech-to-text to be used, among other tools. It's also becoming much more common for audio to be used to convert text to speech for a number of reasons. The traditional one is for helping people with additional sight needs. However, as with audio assistants, users commonly find that audio can be much easier to work with. This is the case where multitasking is required, with audio allowing the user to also direct their attention on some other physical task. This is especially highlighted by the rise of audiobooks, which allow the user to drive, walk, or otherwise engage in a physical activity that would preclude using a text version as impractical. Therefore, it's no wonder that text-to-speech and other voice software is becoming more commonly used, allowing the user to engage in other activities at the same time, whether it be walking, gardening, household chores, or similar. Text-to-speech software is also popular in business environments, with people utilizing it to boost productivity, especially when it comes to speech-to-text software. The links below in the description will get you to the official supplier which has the best price available.